Oh.
Stop.
Hello.
I'm here.
Can you hear me now? Are you really listening? Now, what's the difference between hear and listen? Let's check. First, in terms of meaning. Hear means to perceive sound by the ear. Example, I can hear the music playing. Listen means to pay attention to sound or someone who is speaking. Example, please listen to what I have to say. Next, in terms of context. Hear can be used in situations where sound is simply perceived without necessarily understanding or paying attention to it. Listen is typically used in situations where understanding, comprehension, or attention is required. Example, I can hear the teacher talking, but I am not listening. Here, hear refers to perceiving the sound, while listen implies paying attention to the teacher's words. In Hindi, hearing का मतलब है सुनने की क्षमता और listening का मतलब है किसी की बात को ध्यान से सुनना.